Good morning. My name is Tumi Tladi. Today is Tuesday, the 29th of June 2021. Time it's 9 minutes after 10 a.m. And this is gonna be session 1, video number 25. I have another session that I'm about to do after this one. Yes, so what are we doing today? Firstly, we're gonna be researching about a company called PayFast. So I'm doing external service today. So PayFast. Before that, why do we keep on saying I'm gonna Google this? Let's Google this. Why do we keep on using the word Google or the term Google? So this morning I was watching Tim Corey because I watch daily videos of his and then other developers. That's what I do every day before I get to watch mine. And so he said, now let's go and Google this. Then he opens up Microsoft Edge and then he says, oh, no, I'm using Microsoft Bing. And I was laughing. I was like, why do we keep on Googling? I'm not going to Google. I'm going to DuckDuckGo search. But this is not Google search engine. This is DuckDuckGo search engine. Nevertheless, that was icebreaker. Right. So while this is loading, I just want to read something that pop-ups here before you go to the official website. Blah 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 blah. So PayFast is a convenient checkout faster and more easily with PayFast, the service which lets you pay, send money and accept payment, send and receive money on your terms, shop easily via PayFast, make payment worldwide, save time, do it instantly, blah 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 blah. Yes, so I'm not interested in that. Now we're gonna go to the official website. There we go. Now this side I'm gonna open the website we've been working on. Okay, so a thing about my channel, I want to apologize for any noise that might occur behind the scenes. There's a kid who's naughty, who's been running around this property, because at this time I'm expecting everybody to be at work, because I am at work. I'm at home, but I'm at work. And not just that, but any other noise, I apologize for that. And please also excuse my English. It's gonna run out of airtime now and then. It's gonna deplete, and I'm gonna try to talk slow because I do watch my own videos and I talk fast, and then that's where I do get to confuse some of the terminologies. So please use the comments below and use hashtag request if you'd like me to show something in the context of this system. This channel is for identical dogs. I show external services, the ones that I've used to make this system work. So we bumped into this yesterday when we registered one of the accounts. Is YouTube_user. You'll see, there we go, this one. And then we added the phone number, we verified the phone number. So because this user, it's for the very first time. So even if it's not for the very first time, but let's see what happens when I log in. I want you to pay attention to where this user is going to be redirected from login. There we go. So this user is being redirected to a subscription page. Okay, I'm waiting for this guy. It says it looks like you do not have any active subscription. So this is where I get to introduce PayFast. So PayFast is one of those services that, amongst many, some of these services are croaky, are crappy, and are terrible at the same time. But this is a South African product, although it's been acquired continentally. But I trust it because I do have an account. That's the sole purpose of this video. So just know that my system is making use of PayFast, and I will do this on the next video. We'll talk about subscription page. We'll go through the entire code, everything, because it's critical. Remember I explained. Let me go back to home, but I'm gonna open this in a new tab. Remember I said my clients are these gentlemen. This guy, come on. Okay, this is my client. This guy, the gentleman who has the capacity and the capability, with the devices to help such customers or visitors, with their printing needs or copying needs. This is CUT, by the way. So we have many of these gentlemen and other people that are small internet cafe owners. This is back ver, just front opposite of it. The guy that sits here, his name is Frank. I've spoke to Frank about identical docs before. So these are the people that before they can use my service, they need to be able to pay me a minimum fee. So now I'm done. Now let's come here. So PayFast, you can read everything about it. I'm not going to do that. They're not paying me to advertise their services. I'm just going to go and log in. That's if I still remember my account. The reason why I keep on saying that's if I still remember my account. Remember, I don't plan to do this. I just know that I need to do this, and that's it. I didn't even know that they changed their login page. It wasn't like this before. But on my iPad, I'm always authenticated. I just go to PayFast and I'm already authenticated. So this is the first time I'm logging in or attempting to log in using my computer. So let's see. I know this is my email. My passwords are super complex, by the way. They're very, very super complex. There we go. Where's my phone? My phone has this app called Authy. No, my iPad. Okay. Okay, excuse me for that. I forgot that I set up a two-factor authentication, and the app is being set up on my iPad, so I'm currently turning it on right now. So you see stuff like this. Oh, by the way, I do have a two-factor authentication for the system. I do have it. It's one of the incredible things as a developer you could ever know. If you can know it, and then you're gonna be good at it. So let me go to Authy, and then let me authenticate myself. Okay, let's see if we can type this guy in. 2312838. Let's see. Okay, what do they mean? 6541725. Okay, so that went through. Cool. Sorry about that. I forgot that I still have to be authenticated. Likely my iPad, operates faster. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, they do have a new beta dashboard. Let me open it this side. So this is me. This is my dashboard. Identical docs by Tumi Tladi, and I have mentioned ID and the key. Don't worry, even though these things are somehow sensitive, you don't want to do anything about them or with them, trust me. And then and these are the recent transactions last year when I was testing this thing out with my friend Longile. Big up to you, my friend. And then I requested, so he paid 30 rand, and then in total, because then they get their own money, like 2 rand 30, 3 rand 51. These are two different transactions, by the way. and then in total there were it was 54.19 that was due to me, and then for me to request the money to be sent to my bank account, 10 rand was deducted. Okay, so you generate pay now buttons, exactly what I have right now here, but we'll click this, will show how it works. And you can also request a payment. I can also do that and send an email to relevant individuals. If you'd like to send me money, this is my account number, please send me money. You see, you also need to do this. They will verify. I need to warn somebody about PayFast. PayFast, it's complicated to get it right the first time. You see, I have this 100% profile complete. For you to move from I think 25 to 30, they require a lot of things. There has to be physical documents that you upload, including your ID, everything about your bank, where you live, everything. They verify these things. They're using governmental systems also to verify who you are, blah 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 blah. It's a very fantastic system, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, profile is very high sensitive, account also, transactions. You can check the history, the fees, you can request the payment, subscriptions, you know. Yeah, please do your own research. I don't want to make this video long. Please do your own research about this. It's an incredible system. Now the new dashboard, you see, being a developer, this is what I love. You see how terrible this dashboard is, but wait until you see this one. Wait, no, I want a new one. Yes, this one. So what I meant to say is, being a developer, being a programmer, it's a fun thing, you know. If you love programming, you do great stuff. So I really love the new dashboard. I love it. I can already think of some ideas, you know, because we want to do stuff like, okay, these pop-ups, they're incredible, but we want to do stuff like this sidebar dashboard. It's an incredible thing. You know, and yeah, it's a very incredible dashboard. They have this, I don't know if it's a calendar, whatever you call this. It's a very interesting. So yeah, it can show stuff. I love it. These are stuff we can do. Very fantastic stuff. So yes, I went through everything on the new dashboard. It's interesting. Okay, so now what happens because you saw that YouTube_user or any other user for the very first time, even if they can you know, add a phone number and they get to verify, they will still end up here before they can be authenticated. And then we'll make a next video about this, but for now let me click this just to show you how it looks like, what happens when you click this button. So PayFast handles this. You see now I'm being redirected to PayFast, so it handles this. There we go. So this is PayFast handling that to say, okay, this is my logo for Identical Dogs. It says Identical Dogs subscription, and I know it's 30 rand. So everybody knows it's 30 rand. So you can pay via Visa, instant EFT. Me and my friend, we tried these two guys. So instant EFT, it's quite interesting. Just enter email address and then you continue to do stuff. Credit card and check. Yes, we did try this and it works perfectly, and then you pay and it gets to be authenticated from you. So yeah, it's a legit thing. It's literally a legit thing. I did extensive research. I read the end user agreement, the privacy policy. I read this agreement also, you know, to see what I'm getting myself into, because I hardly give people my ID number, where I live and everything. I don't do that on the internet. So this in a nutshell was PayFast. I hope it was informative. I hope it was, you know, do your own research, because I did my own research. Do your own research. The next video number 26, is gonna be now, how did I put this together now? Like, what is the subscription all about? And then we'll take a look at the database, and yeah, see you soon.